It's not every day that you get an options tip here on the AI Circle. You
Yes.
mentioned something that if something happens tomorrow, that the market will rally and it will
Yes.
rally significantly. Can you repeat that part, please?
Oh, of course. Look, tomorrow, Thursday, like in almost all months, the Fed reports information in various ways and also other agencies of the government. Tomorrow, for example, real gross domestic product comes out, GDP. Um, we also have we have new home sales, Chicago Federal Reserve, durable good orders are also coming out, jobless claims are coming out. So when you see all of this data coming together in one day, in other words, a lot of information that drives the markets are driven fundamentally at the end of the day. A lot of fundamental information is coming out that the AI will read. The AI doesn't know that that data is coming out. However, the market does. And the market today opened down, probably in the fear that that data could be bad, but they rallied it up on the day, which means they don't care. They expect and want good data. So therefore, it generally tells me through my experience for what this is worth that tomorrow may have all kinds of data, but the market wants to interpret this good in a good way. And if any of this data is anything less than terrible, which means decent, the market will rally significantly. The only way the market goes down tomorrow, in my mind, just as a person that's watched this, is some of these numbers are all just devastating numbers and they all miss expectations. But based on the close I saw today, my bet is long 60-40. So it's a bet you want to take. Here we are,
Awesome.
folks. So if I was a trader short term, I would be telling you to probably buy 410 calls on the spider for February and play that game. But right now, we just got into the market, and I suspect we're going to hold this trade generally somewhere around a month or so, if we can, to see where the market takes us.
It's not every day that you get an options tip here on the AI Circle, but if anyone understood that, if any of you options traders are out there, let us know. Sound off in the comments section if you're thinking of that based on what you've heard today. Obviously, none of this is advice. We went through that disclosure already, but let us know in the comments how you feel about a 410 call on the SPY. For what was the date that you
February,
called for the
February.
February? Yeah. Okay, so sound off in the comments. Let us know what you think about that.